Here is how to lose every friend you have without one fight. Keep saying, "We should hang out sometime." Never choose a day. That's step one of a 3-step method. Most people run it by accident. You're going to run it on purpose. Sometime is perfect. It sounds caring, requires no calendar, and has never been canceled because it never existed. Start a group chat. Ask who's free. Receive 6 versions of "I'm down." Do not ask, "How about Saturday at 7?" Specifics are dangerous. They can create plans. Let the chat produce 3 fire emojis, 1 old photo, and a promise to make something happen soon. Then wait 8 months. On somebody's birthday, write, "Bro, we really need to link." Very moving. No date. Perfect form. Now, why does this work? Because friendship used to feel automatic. At school, you saw the same people 5 days a week. Same lunch, same class, same practice, same boring hallway. You thought you were naturally great at staying close. The timetable was carrying you. Then you graduate. Congratulations! The hallway is gone. Every meeting now needs a time, a place, transport, money, and several adults with functioning calendars. Friendship has acquired a coordination tax. And because you still like each other, you'll assume the relationship is fine. Affection becomes the excuse for not showing up. Which brings us to step 2. Rebrand the neglect. Call the friendship low maintenance. Say, "We can go 6 months without talking and pick up exactly where we left off." This may even be true. It can also become 2 years, 3 jobs, 1 breakup, and a beard you only discover on Instagram. Low maintenance is not no maintenance, but the label is doing its job. The longer you don't call, the more low maintenance you get to feel. And the best part is, there is no warning light. It just gets slightly harder to call, then slightly easier not to. Step 3. Replace contact with proof of contact. Send memes, react to stories, like the new apartment. A fire emoji is not a conversation. It is applause from the hallway. Keep this up and you'll achieve something remarkable. You'll know what he ate, what team he hates, and which video made him laugh. And nothing that actually matters. Full feed, 0 friendship. That's the whole method. 3 steps, no fight required. Here's the part that should worry you. None of this ever feels like losing anyone. Most adult friendships don't die in a fight. They die in the group chat while everyone is down and nobody picks Saturday. No betrayal, no villain. Just people who quietly become people who used to know each other. And the cost shows up late. You knew what he ate. You didn't know work was falling apart or that he'd been having a quietly rough year. He knows every version of your past and almost nothing about your present. The problem was never the memes. It was letting them replace everything else. So when something serious finally happens, calling feels too big because the small calls disappeared. The repair is smaller than a heart-to-heart. You don't need to book a summit about male loneliness. You need tacos on a Tuesday. Depth usually isn't the starting problem. Repeated, ordinary time is. Stay in the same room long enough, and eventually a real sentence slips out. So use one formula. Day, a time, a place. Cheap, close, repeatable. Pick one person you actually want in your life. Send one specific message. Thursday at 7, tacos at Miller's. You in? If he says yes, show up. Put the phone away. Before you leave, set the next date. Keep it small. A plan that needs a cabin, 6 adults, matching vacation days, and a weather miracle is not a plan. It's a grant proposal. No speech about how you've drifted. Just make contact easy enough to repeat. 1 exit rule. Offer a second date once. If he declines again and never suggests another time, accept the answer. This is maintenance, not pursuit. But don't claim everyone disappeared before you gave anyone a place and a time to arrive. Tonight, pick one name, not the group, one person. Send a day, a time, and a place. People don't stay close because the history is long. They stay close because the contact continues. And as always, ruin your life responsibly.